Okay, so I'm going to show you the pictures while you read it, okay? It's called Eagles and Birds of Prey. So, what? Something falcon. I'll read it from this point. Yeah. The contents, whatever. Wait, what? White-backed vulture. And here's something called that one. Oh. Does size matter? I always thought that said coronavirus bird vulture. Yeah. Bald eagle egg. Nothing. Eagle egg. American falcon egg. African pygmy falcon egg. What even is that? Did that just say growth bird? See those chicks if you want. What is that? Is that a adult peregrine? How raptors fly. Ooh. Wait, that's a faster fly than the peregrine, but still not as fast diving. Just hanging around. That's nice. So, yeah. Wait, birds going up. Wings and feathers. Those are nice feathers. Okay, they have a golden eagle skeleton. What was that? What was... A bird of prey with its digestion time. Okay. Wait, is that a ginormous, scary falcon? Is it? He's grabbing something. He's trying to grab a squirrel? Oh yes, he is. Maybe a chipmunk. Something like that. Egyptian vulture, I've heard. Wait, is it? Oh my, that's so disgusting. Bald eagle, right there. Yeah. That is so weird, eyes. What? A bird of prey. Okay, but vulture head I can tell. Turkey vulture. I mean, those are tons of skeletons on that page. Those were nice ones. Okay, we're on page 30. Are those black vultures? I mean, come on, there's a turkey vulture. It's a new world. They're vultures. I mean, that page is... King vulture? They look pretty ugly, right? Okay, ospreys and fish eagles. Oh, white-bellied sea eagle. That's pretty cool. Still a sea eagle. They have a bald eagle at the top. You can see right there. Come on. It's a kite, maybe. So that is a snail hunter. Why? Hawks and buzzards. Hawks and buzzards again. Or buzzards. Eagles. Eagles again. Secretary bird. I mean, look at the side view. It's a much better one, right? Those are falcon family. I mean, who doesn't like falcons? Do you not like them? A laughing falcon. Never mind about that page. Ginormous owl. raptors in ancient times. Raptors. It's a pretty, kind of a lot of raptors around the world. Raptor records. Oh, sorry. Then, do you like this book? Read this all you want. There's so much words, right? And look at all those other books I don't have, right?